Hey guys, today I present 4 powerful plank exercises to get six-pack abs in 5 minutes. Let's strengthen our core without equipment, just you and your determination. Let's do this. First exercise, basic plank lie face down on the floor. Place your forearms on the floor, keeping elbows aligned with shoulders. Lift your body, supporting yourself on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from heels to shoulders. Hold the position for 30 seconds initially, gradually increasing as you get stronger.
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion.
Next exercise, side plank. Lie on your side on the floor. Lift your body, supporting yourself on your forearm, keeping the elbow aligned with the shoulder. Keep your feet stacked on top of each other. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Next exercise, front plank with twist. Assume the basic front plank position. Lift one arm towards the ceiling, twisting your body to the side. Keep the hips elevated, forming a diagonal line with the body. Look at the raised hand. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side.
High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream.
Next exercise, inverted plank. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Place your hands on the floor just behind your hips, fingers pointing towards your feet. Press the palms into the floor and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Keep your legs extended, forming a straight line from heels to shoulders. Breathe deeply and maintain the position with good form. These are the 4 powerful plank exercises to sculpt your abs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Stay strong and see you in the next video. Until then, take care.